Hi, it's Danterrifik 2. Um, this game is incredibly awesome, totally good fun to make the Spotify live only on the first level. Live. So, if it's the first time you try this game, it's easy to believe there's impossible first second level. It's so incredibly difficult that you gonna despair. You start losing your hair, you start gaining weight, and you start to think you want to kill yourself. But then you learn how to pass to the second level and everything is easier. Well, it's not like this, but it's some sort of it. I tried a lot of times to record this video, to record me passing myself these first levels. This level got as an alter ego, we control them both at the same time. It is easier to kill Soares on the first tries. The number of lives of this game are not even near of the number of lives you lost in order to pass the first levels. So imagine yourself on the last levels. There is nothing you can do to turn it easier by using a poke of infinite lives or anything like that. You can try it slower with your hardware, with a pro in your hardware. I believe it might be the only solution. Well, but there are who can pass these levels without losing a single life. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you try it enough, you'll be tough, good and tough on this game. So there's some of these first levels for you to reflect yourself. Nothing better than pick up the game, download the game, and try to by yourself. This level has a different way how to pass. It's an alter ego level. It's not easy. Okay, so don't feel like someone who really can't, because everything is possible. So see ya.